Toyland Kids, Toyland Kids.
Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at the pony ramp set from the Animal Planet. It's junior building block. It's at 22 pieces. It's 3 year and up. And then in this picture you can see there are 3 little ponies. And there are 2 brown ones and 1 white one. And here's the farm girl who takes care of them. And here's the ranch where they live. And these are called Shetland ponies. And the fun fact about Shetland pony is that they are very well mannered. And they're originally in Britain. And they are becoming very popular. Okay everybody, we're going to start opening this box up and take the ponies out. Okay, here is the instruction booklet to show you how to put the set together. Okay, look here. Look at the farm girl. She's so cute with her black ponytail. Okay, and then look at the beautiful white pony. And here is the brown pony. And then there's another brown ponies. They're so cute. And let's start putting it together, okay? And here is the first gate that we're going to put together. We're going to put it here. And then here's the second. Oops, put it back. Another one. And here's the gate. Okay. And now we're going to put the entrance. We're gonna get here, and then we'll put the pink one over here, and then we're gonna put the engine right here, and then we're gonna put the roof on. Okay. All right. And then here's the gate. And we're gonna need 2 pink ones. We're gonna put the gate here. Let's see. We're gonna put this here. Alright. Okay, then we're gonna put some blue block here to complete the gate. Okay. Then we're gonna put the flower on it. Oh, one will keep falling off. What? Okay. Then we're gonna inside here. We're gonna put the container with the hole to drain the water. Okay, let me see where I can put it right there. Alright, now we're gonna put the farm wheel here, and then just like the picture, we're gonna put one of the brown pony here to drink water, and then we're gonna put the second pony here, and then the white pony just right inside. And that's it. We completed the set. And I hope you enjoy it. Okay, kid, what 2 things are missing from the ranch? Can you guess? Look, can you guess? That's right. It's the white container for the pony and the flower. Okay, that's it. See you the next time. Bye.
Toyland Kids, Toyland Kids, Toyland Kids, Toyland Kids. can